All right, this is the Aquifer 4-in-1 beverage system. So it's 4 types of filtered water, all from one single faucet. So if you come in here, you'll be able to see, you wave your hand over the touch sensor to wake up the device, and then you touch the type of water that you want. So I'm going to go with carbonated to start. So sparkling water, just press to turn it on, and press to turn it back off. This is all being fed by one sleek under-counter unit located down here. You can easily swap out the filter or the CO2 cartridge. It's the same standard size as the screw-in version of a SodaStream. That's literally a SodaStream tank that's in there right now. You can also adjust the temperature down there for your hot water and your cold water, which can get down to 39 degrees Fahrenheit and up to 208 Fahrenheit for the hot water, which is about 98 degrees Celsius. For the hot water, it's a 2-step process. So once again, wave your hand over to wake it up, and you'll touch the hot water. It'll flash at you for a second, and you'll hold that down. And you'll see it comes out steaming hot right away. So this is set for a little under that maximum temperature right now, but you can still see that beautiful steaming hot water for your tea, your coffee, whatever it is that you want to use your hot water for. So one complete unit, 4 types of water, all filtered for whatever beverage needs you have.